Dude, seriously, stop, dude. I swear to God, Trevor, I'm gonna slap you in the fucking face. You think I'm fucking kidding, dude? I swear to God.
Hey, does Miguel suck ass at skating?
Dude, you better take the fucking camera off me right now.
Sorry, guy. You
Dude,
got earwax.
Take the fucking camera off me right now, dude. I swear to God. Fucking punch you in the goddamn face, dude. Take that fucking shit off me.
Sorry,
Dude, you better fucking take this off me. I'm fucking tired, God.
Alright.
Stop fucking with me. I'm so tired, dude.
You tired?
Yeah.
It's only like 8
Go
o'clock.
fuck with Jake, dude.
Alright, then go fuck with Jake then, whatever.
You actually recording?
Oh shit.
You slow asshole.
Oh shit. Hey Chris, get up, it's time to wake up. Sorry, cock.